So if you're a content creator, you need good light. If you don't have good light or good sound, your content is not good. So how do we get good things? We have to upgrade microphones, cameras, 4K, wide angle lenses, blurry backgrounds, all those amazingly mystifying cool things. But yeah, seriously though, lighting, you need good lighting. So this happened on Prime Day. And if you guys have Amazon Prime, you know, you get excited, you're gonna buy something. You know, I was waiting for something good. Nothing really came up. But then I saw this and I said to myself, I don't have a video light on top of my camera. I need a video light because my lighting is just a window right there. So what do? I get a lighting video. When Amazon offers you $10 off, you buy things. That's the marketing. With all seriousness though, this is a pretty highly rated light, and definitely got curious in it, and since Prime Day had it, I went ahead and went for it. So it goes for around 40 bucks, not cheap. This is what the box looks like. Nothing too special, black box, pretty nice presentation. So let's open this thing and see what's inside. All right. So as you open it, you get a manual here that greets you. There's a little bit of dirt on the manual or something weird like that. It's a little odd. Here's the light itself. It doesn't look like it's wrapped in anything. It's just sitting in there. Let's pop it out here and look at it. Pretty nice overall. That looks like it's metal. Feels metal. Have plastic here. Looks like we can plug it into an AC adapter. That's cool. It says 15 volts on it. Here we got some function buttons. Pretty nice. Looks like there's a little film over here. Alright, let's set this down. See what else we have in the box here. So looks like we have a charger, charging cable, micro USB. Looks like the mounts with the hot shoe. Pretty cool. Looks like it tilts. And last but not least, the battery. So this is the NPF 550. I think these are the batteries that most lights have. So these are all the pieces that it comes with. I'm kind of surprised that nothing is wrapped, but I guess that's okay. It seems a little dusty here and there. Like I can see scratches in there and stuff. Maybe it's just from testing or manufacturing, but it doesn't feel brand new, but it probably is. Alright guys, so one of the main things to remember is when you do get your light set, any kind of light set, and it comes with batteries, you do need to charge them. Because usually these batteries, sometimes they'll sit for many months or even years before they are used, and they're very weak. If you put it in your light and you run it really hard, you could damage the battery because it's already such in a weak state. That'll significantly reduce its life, which people have problems because they do that. You need to charge it up really good, especially the first time. Alright, so let's hook up this little mount here. So it looks like it's a standard 1/4 inch hole here for this mount. It does have a little nub here that goes in there, which keeps it from spinning in circles. That's kind of nice, I guess. Makes it really sturdy. So in here we have the cold shoe mount for the hot shoe. So I got a G85 here, and this just goes right in there. Tighten it up, and there you go. You can tilt, tighten it up, and you got light source that goes down kind of. If you need to tilt it, if you need to stand it up a bit, you can. So definitely really like this function. If you need a light for your camera, this seems like would be great. So this thing has really good reviews, and I have no doubt that it performs well. So let's power it on here and see how it works. So instead of using the battery here, I'll let it charge a little more here. I actually have an AC adapter with 12 volt from something else here. Let's try it to see if this feature works here. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in to the light, and we're going to hit the power button, and there it goes. It actually works. Well, that's cool. So it looks like, let's see. Alright, so this is our brightness. Yeah, it's going up and down. this looks like our temperature. So that's all the way daylight, 5600. And then we have warm, 3200. Very warm light. So yeah guys, these controls are actually very simple. So you have the power button, the mode button, plus and minus. So mode just goes between your brightness level and your temperature. And then, you know, you can either individually hit it or you can hold it and it'll go fast. So same thing for the brightness, which is really cool because you can incrementally go up. Or you can just hold it and go up real quick. So here guys, you can see the individual lights. So if I go to my kelvins and I go all the way up, you can see that my orange ones disappear completely. And then we'll switch the lights. So there's two arrays of warm lights and cool lights. So whenever you're somewhere in between, like right now we are at 44 and you have all of them lit up about the same brightness. See, right now we're only at 10%. I did forget to mention that 10% is the lowest. This is the lowest setting. So it's pretty low. So it does not go lower than 10%. Alright guys, so now that the battery has charged for a little bit, let's go ahead and put it in here and see. We're not going to use it long, but we're just going to test it. Slides in. And that's it. It just locks into place there. Should not come out technically. But you can see how little this light is. I'm just holding it in my hand and it's very convenient. It's a good size. You can throw this in your bag without, you know, being too bulky. So it's really good. Alright, let's power it on here. Let's change this to something else and see if it remembers it. So let's go to 56. So we're all blue now. And we'll turn it off. Take the battery out. Wait for a few seconds. And put the battery back in. Turn it back on again. And it remembered. How about that? That's great. Alright, so we're at 10%. Let's go ahead and bump that up. So now we have 27. So as you can see, even at 27, it's a good amount of light, guys. Let's go a little bit higher here. So that's 39, 40. So we're really starting to pump out some light here. And yeah. So then you can see the wall back there is definitely illuminating. Let's just go ahead and go all the way up and see what happens. Okay, so we're at 99 and the light is just very bright. So depending on what look you go for, you know, you get whatever you need. So yeah, we definitely got a bunch of light now coming out. So to light up that wall that bright with already light in the room is quite impressive. Seems like a great light, guys. So if you need a light, this might be your answer. You know, it's small enough where you can put in your bag. It's versatile where you can change the color temperature, and you know, the brightness level is very incremental. And if you put it on the chute, it has the tilt, you know, so you can tilt it up and down or whatever. Maybe you just want, you know, light to fill the room, so you can just point it straight up and it kind of will fill the room, you know, kind of give you a little light. So very versatile for whatever you need. So, and if you want to set this up where it's always just sitting there and you can plug it in, you can just get an adapter. But I think this thing makes it very nice because you can take it with you and you can put it in your bag, put it on your chute, on your cold chute, and you know, you can film in a dark night. Seems like all the features you would want are on here. So, and that's what I'm looking for, a light, you know. And this seems to fit the bill perfectly for all that stuff. So if you want to pick up a light like this, I'll leave a link in the description on Amazon. There's many choices, but I think this is a very good one. It ticks all the boxes. Functionality, battery powered, portable, small enough to take it with you anywhere you need to. So hot chew, cold chew, mount, So you're good to roll. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.